Hey, Jeff Adorno from Earthwalker. I just want to show you a Hawaiian medicine plant. This is called Noni. This is the Noni fruit. This is a young Noni tree. You can see the fruit up there. So here's a ripe Noni fruit, and this grows throughout Southeast Asia and Polynesian islands. In Australia, it's pretty common, and it's known as a starvation fruit because you have to be pretty desperate to eat this thing. It's more of a medicine. Now, like many medicines, it tastes really kind of foul and bitter, and the smell when it's ripe resembles a little bit of fermented cheese, honestly. I know I'm not selling the flavor of this thing, but the medicinal aspects of this, you really have to check out. You can boil this into a tea, you can eat it straight, you can apply it to your skin for skin irritations. It's good for digestion, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. The Noni fruit is really a gift medicinally. Just want to share some of this factoids of the Polynesian islands. How cool.